In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. Hit all of your photos you wish to attach, and when you're ready, send them. If you can't find your photos though, hit Folders instead. Tap on a chosen photo you wish to add, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!